Interesting. Small Bitcoin investors stop whales from crashing Bitcoin price below 18K. Let's get into this. This is some important news. Let's break this down right now. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain's here, and this is the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Look at this information. Bitcoin investors stopping whales. Okay, let's look into this. Now, check this out. An army of small Bitcoin investors have been fighting with their larger counterparts for months above about the price of Bitcoin going above 18,000. Let me go ahead and make this a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller, and I'll move this over just a bit from keeping them going down. Now, check this out here. Bitcoin accumulation strong among fishes. Notable, there has been some on-chain, I would say, divergence between some small so-called whales enticing that hold more than 1,000 Bitcoin, which is a lot, and fishes as Bitcoin continues to fluctuate inside the $18,000 to $20,000 range. Now, if I go look at the coin market cap and I go look here, let's go find out what Bitcoin is right now. So I'll go look at coin market cap, and if I check out Bitcoin, what it is, it's currently at 19,481. If I go and zoom this in for you, if we can see this. So it's sticking around at 18 to 20,000 range based off this information here. Now, Bitcoin fishes have been accumulating Bitcoin during the coin sideways trend. For instance, the net Bitcoin supply held by addresses with 100 to 1,000 Bitcoin balance has increased. So they're increasing this while the Bitcoin is down from 3.71 million in June to 3.77 million this October, according to the information here. And look at the map here. Supply held with balance of 100 to 1,000 Bitcoin. You can see the black and you can see the gold. And they're accumulating here. They are definitely accumulating here in this actually bear market. Now, Bitcoin supply held to with 100 to 1,000 Bitcoin balance. You can kind of see it on that chart here. Now, one more thing I'm going to point out. The supply of Bitcoin held by the address between 10 and 100 Bitcoin balance has risen from 3 million to 3.15 million in the same period. So people who has a smaller actually, Bitcoin inside their wallet or their possession, they too has been accumulating. The trend is similar across holding anything between 0.01 and 10 Bitcoin. Meanwhile, the same period, Bitcoin sideways price action with a decline in Bitcoin supply held by whales. For instance, the Bitcoin supply held by the 1,000 to the 10,000 BTC has dropped to 3.82 million to 3.69 million since June. Now, what this tells me that people are continuing to get Bitcoin. Some people are selling out, but to me, some of these investors, some of these big whales, they're still buying Bitcoin, even though it's at 18,000, 19,000, and 20,000. So I should tell you what's going to happen in the future. And I looked at some point Bitcoin to rise, and we'll see what happens in the future with cryptocurrency. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm the captain here, and this is the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to watch more cryptocurrency education on this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.